everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. So let's go to the question number 11, which will be, is there any brand you absolutely can't stand? I can think about something specifically at this moment. I'm trying to find out something, but actually I can't. If I'm gonna talk about one thing, it's not that I can't stand, but it's not like one of my favorite, or I can't what is it called, if I'm gonna use something else instead of it, I'm gonna use it, which will be e.l.f. eyeshadows. They are good, but mostly they are shimmery or having this kind of a not satin finish, but mostly shimmery. And at the same time, they just go everywhere. They are so soft. Just with the brush, you'll find the eyeshadow itself become so loose, and just have a really nice fallout of the color underneath your eyes when you apply it. It doesn't matter what the color is, like light color, dark color, it doesn't matter. You always have a fallout, and they are soft and blendable, but they mostly shimmery. So if I want to apply kind of a matte color, I have like full palette of e.l.f. I think it's 100 eyeshadow or 144. I can't remember. They are good shadows, but mostly they are shimmery, and most of the time I just love matte eyeshadows actually more than shimmery. And this kind of a fallout thing, it's not cool, because I usually do my face makeup before I do my eyes. So this is kind of like, it's not good because it's shimmery, so you end up having some like glitter or shimmer underneath your eyes. So I like them, but not really, you know what I mean? So this is the one thing that I think about right now. I don't know. So this is for this question. So let's go to the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye. Oops.